this question gives us an equation, and they want us to get some points and then graph that equation. Okay, so we can do that. Let's go ahead and make that happen. So I'm going to bring, what would be the easiest way? Yeah, I'm going to have to do a little bit of work for each of these. So I'm going to bring the first one down here. Just do them one at a time. Notice there's X values right here. And we're going to find the Y values that go with each of those X values. Okay, so I'm going to start with the first one, the X equals -2. And for that one, oops, sorry. Then I'm going to take the equation right here. 2y minus 6x is -4. And I'm going to plug in, oops, probably a little more. I'm going to plug in right there the X value of -2. And so what do we get? We get 2y plus 12 is -4. That's because two negatives. So does everybody see what I'm doing right now? I just took the first X value and the equation, and I'm plugging in that X value into the X slot. And then I'm just going to solve for Y. So we get 2y plus 12 equals -4. You can see that's it's on the border there, huh? Right here, 2y plus 12. Well, I don't know why I'm rewriting that again. Let's just subtract 12 from both sides, huh? Because we're solving for Y. So we get 2y, you know, 2y is -16. And then divide by 2. And we get y equals -8. So I'll bring that back, -8. And that makes the ordered pair -2, -8 with parentheses and a comma. Whenever they say ordered pair, they want you to do parentheses and a comma like that for the X and the Y. Then we just do that again and again and again for every one of these points. So now I'm going to do -1. Come down here and go, okay, X is -1. I'll use the equation 2y minus 6 times -1 is -4. So I'm plugging in -1, and we get 2y plus 6 is -4. And then we're going to solve for y again, subtract 6 from both sides. Just have to do this repeatedly. 2y is -10. Divide by 2. Y is -5. So that was -5. So that's the point -1, -5. Does that make sense? We plugged in X is -1 and solved for the Y that goes with it, came out to be -5. So the X -1 goes with Y -5, making the point -1, -5. Next, we just keep going. Next one is X is 0. Same equation, 2y minus 6. This time we're plugging in 0 for X. And that's 2y minus 0. So that -0 is nothing, so it's just 2y. 2y is -4. Divided by 2. Y is -2. And so that's the point 0 minus 2, like that. Next, we're going to plug in this one. X is 1. And same equation. 2y minus 6 times 1, this time plugging in x1, equals -4. It's 2y minus 6 is -4. Add 6 to both sides. And we get 2y is 2. Last step, divide by 2. Y is 1. So y is 1, so that's the point 1, 1. And last one is their x is 2 into the equation 2y minus 6 times 2. Plug in 2 is negative 4. That's 2y minus 12 is negative 4. Add 12 to both sides. And we get 2y equals, what's this? 12 minus 4 is 8. The last step, divide by 2. Cancels. So y is 4. Bring back the y is 4, and that's the point 2, 4. Okay, so we finished the table. That's a lot of work. And then notice what they say up here. Then use 2 of the ordered pairs to graph. So my graph word goes off the screen there, to graph. So yeah, whenever we use the line making tool, we only make 2 dots, because it's just 2 points determine a line. All you need is 2 points. A line goes through any 2 points. So, okay. Which 2 points? Well, I'm just going to grab the easiest ones. I like 0, over 0, down 2. Just says use any 2, so I'll do that one. Right here. That's over 0. Remember, the first number is over. Second number is up or down, over 0, down 2. And then how about the 1, 1 looks easy. I'm just going to grab the ones that look easiest to me, over 1, up 1. There we go. So those 2 will make the line. And then so when you do the line making tool, the line will go right through those points. Let me see. So I can do it. Like that. There we go. And by the way, you might notice that the other points are on there also, right? Like the one back 1 down 5 is right here. Here's back 1 down 5, and the back 2 down 8 is right there. See, they're all on the line, really. And the other one that I got, which was 2, 4. See how they're all really there, but I just used 2 of them to make the line, but they're all on the line because they all make the equation true, don't they? So you understand, I think now pretty easily, what a graph is. A graph of this equation is a picture of all the points that make the equation true, huh? That's what the line is. The line, in fact, there's other dots also. There's millions of dots that we're not even seeing other than these 5. There's millions and millions and millions of dots, and they all make the equation true. That's what a graph is, a picture of all the points that make the equation true. There we go.